Hey guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo. Super basa pa ng hair ko. Pero super excited na kasi akong buksan tong TV. We are gonna be unboxing the 50-inch Smart TV from Hisense. Ayan, this is a 2020 model. And since promo to, meron siyang kasamang soundbar from Devant. So, yes, without further ado, let's get started. Hey. Ta-da! Oh, wow, this is heavy. This is the soundbar that we got from Devant. So let's start with this. Bakit hindi siya napuputol? Paano ba ito buksan? Ay, butik. Dito lang pala yung opening niya. Struggle is real pa tayo kanina. Okay! Tan-tararin! Tan-tan-tan-tan! Ayan, this is the TV accessories. What's in this? This is the accessories box. Ayan, what's in here? Ah! Mga cables and wires and everything like that. And then, ito na yung pinaka soundbar. Wow! So cool! Haba niya. Cheers! Bad boy. First we have here is the feet of the TV. Whoa. We have quick setup guide, remote. So, ito yung kasama niya, guys. Yung, soundbar. Parang siyang speaker or something. May sabihin ko sa ouch!
Baga ini. Pabili kita ini.
Ay, kita siya. Done! Charan!
Netflix.
So now I'm trying to connect the Wi-Fi to our TV. Grabe, ang saya. Our live TV. What apps do we have here? Oh, we have Netflix, YouTube, YouTube Kids, browser. Ayan. Ito na siya. Playing Vincenzo. with a soundbar, pero hindi pa namin in-on yung soundbar. Na yung magkakabit ng aircon, so ipapakabit na namin yan dyan. And I'll update you guys later. Tapos yung TV, tapos na, nalagay na namin siya sa sala. Guys, update. It's now 5:02 p.m. and ayan, nakabit na po yung aircon. And then, this is the aftermath. I have to clean all the dust kasi super ano siya, super maalikabok. So, I'm sweeping right now. Tapos, ito yung mga box na kailangan namin i-dispose bukas. At saka yung TV, andito pa. So, I need to clean and arrange at the same time. So, yes, good luck to me. It's a long day. It's a busy and productive day.